Alright, T, welcome back to another trade recap. Today I made $0 day trading. Let's get into it. Here's the P&L. Bro, I've been sitting on my hands all week, but it's chill. I'd rather wait for a good setup. So basically coming into the day, New York AM session isn't even over, but I'm sitting here watching candlesticks chop around. So I'm done. I'm done trading. But basically we have this accumulation right here. We have this accumulation zone now. What I really wanted to see when I got on the markets at like 9 right here, I wanted to see this get chopped around and then us to manipulate the distribute. No, we didn't obviously get that. We had this 1 hour internal low, and then ES was in a pretty good spot. I saw maybe we could get this 1 hour internal low swept. Both of these assets sweep, and then we deliver higher and take this buy side. So then what happens off open? You sweep it on NQ, and ES is just pushing higher. ES is taking all the draws, NQ is just going lower. I usually like it vice versa, kind of. I like it where ES... Bro, I'm bad tired, bro. I like it where ES is the lagging index, and right here NQ is the lagging index to deliver us higher. So right at this moment, AMD is not valid. I have to journal this trade though, but so I'm gonna keep AMD right there, but it's not valid anymore because it's just like we're just chopping. And then ES just continues to deliver us higher, We're just good. We're just like this price action's trash. Like, I don't know what to tell you, bro. And then we have this. We have an SMT with NQ right here. And this is where some people took this 30-second. I don't have the 30-second, but the entry was like right here. Like right about here. That stop loss at the wick. And you target this high. Then you go break even at the 5 minute. The reason why I faded this setup was because I felt like ES had the possibility to go push lower and re-interact with this low. And although this did play out, and I saw some people taking it, Dodgy took this, PB Patrick took this, and like I'm not taking this though. Like, I'm just being honest. I wouldn't take this setup, and the reason why is because we're so discounted. Like, we're so like low into the range. Like, we're very like at the time we're like close to not inversing this gap, but we're just deep in this fair value gap. And the only time I like to take 30 seconds is when it's in manipulation. So let me actually do a quick little lesson here. Okay, so back to Monday's price action, right? Where was it at? No, not Monday, Tuesday. Back to Tuesday's price action, okay? We have this, where is it? I think it's, hold on. Let me just go back to Tuesday's price action to kind of explain the type of 30 seconds that I'm willing to take, because I don't take every single 30 second. Like, there has to be a specific thing I'm looking for. Hold on. Let me just go back to 11 and just see where it was at. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Gang, where was this chunk at? Was it right here? No, I don't know. Was it right here? Where the frick was this junk at? There was a third. Okay, let me just explain, right? So let's say we have this uptrend, right? And then we bounce off this we bounce off this 1 hour fair value gap, right? I am never taking a 30 second this way, never. But, and let's say we have a 3 minute bearish fair value gap. Let's say this is a 3-minute and this is the highest time frame. I'm like, okay, if this play was going to play out, I would want to see this get inverse to the upside like this, right? Now, 30 seconds are those type of things where it's very situational, okay? The only way that I will take 30 seconds, and listen, don't just listen to what I say. Backtest on your own. See what you're most comfortable with. See what you like the most. I've backtested, and the best 30 seconds, in my opinion, are the ones where you get this, then you get this quick little internal manipulation, and then you get a 30-second right here. You get this inverse fair value gap, this 30-second, and then you go, and then you get this inverse, and then you go break even at the 3-minute, or break even at the inverse you were gonna wait for, taking the lower time frame in manipulation. Those are the only 30 seconds that I take. But I've back tested this on my own time. So it's like, if you don't have if you don't have confidence in the thing I just said, go back test it on your own. See what you like the most. Don't just go implement something in your strategy just because you see other people doing it, because it might not be for you. Like, I saw a lot of people implementing rejection wicks. Bro, I ain't never using that junk. Like, I'm not going to use it. Like, I just want to keep my trading as simple as possible. And I feel like the way I trade is just very simple, very straightforward. Like, I understand it well, but someone else might understand rejection wicks very well. Someone else might understand order blocks very well. Someone else might understand CISD very well. And I'm not saying I don't understand those concepts, but I'm saying, why am I adding all these extra tools? You guys don't have to always add something new to your strategy to be profitable. Sometimes the basic stuff, the stuff that you have already, the stuff you've mastered, just keep it as simple. Trading simple is the best way. Okay, I'm done with the yap sesh. Yeah, so we just chopped around the whole day. I mean, like, I don't know. We took the draw, and then after this, I was like, yeah, this day's gonna over. Let's see if the 30-minute gets taken, and then this 30-minute did end up getting filled. So it we didn't even get the possibility of an inversion because the 30-minute got filled. So I was like, okay, yeah, like this trading day's done. But what happened on ES, bro? Because oh my Lanta, bro, I seen this junk, and I was like, okay, it's a bug, okay? But I don't know if this, like, exited people's positions. Like, if someone had taken, let's say they took a swing trade, right? And they pressed buy. Okay, this is so funny, but let's say they took a swing trade right here. They pressed buy, and then they were, like, holding to this price, right? Did they get stopped out? Did they get stopped out? Like, if you were in a position right here, did you get stopped out? That's kind of sad, but, shoot, don't trade ES. Like, I don't know what to tell you. This is kind of crazy though, but this is actually kind of wicked. They better fix this. Someone better address this junk, because dang, people could have got liquidated for a lot of money, but shoot, better luck next time. I don't know. No, my camera's about to fall. Stay right there. Okay. Yeah, and then ES just pushed higher. I just like this junk, like, bro, I'm just sitting here watching candles chop around, bro. Just sitting here watching candles chop around. This junk is mad boring, bro. I haven't traded in 2 days, but it's chill, bro. Literally, I just wake up to watch market chop. It's like literally like I'm rotting my brain. Like I'm rotting my brain watching this junk. But yeah, just overall terrible session. We did get some accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, but I couldn't capitalize off it, so it's whatever. If ES had pushed lower, I would have taken it along. But yeah, overall, lessons to take from today. When implementing stuff into your strategy, make sure you have tested it yourself. Don't go out there and implement something that you haven't even tested. I see people do this all the time, and then they're like, why am I unprofitable? Why am I unprofitable? Why am I unprofitable? Have you even backtested the stuff you added? Like, we get it, okay? Look, move up, move down. Okay, look, CISD right here. I have it in my thing, okay? Like CISD. Let's say you get a CISD right here. Have you even backtested CISD? Like, why is it in your strategy? Like, you don't even, like, bro, people just implement stuff they don't even backtest. Like, guys, simple trading is the best trading, all right? And you shouldn't implement stuff that you don't practice, you don't backtest. And like for 30 seconds, I didn't implement 30 seconds until I backtested it. And then I saw that the best way for 30 seconds, in my opinion, was through manipulation links. So just backtest the stuff you're going to implement in your trading. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's trade recap. So if you have any questions, and yeah, I will see y'all boys tomorrow.